Rajshri Group of Industries, your finest destination for non-woven products. The company was started in 2007. Today, the parent company has 3 branches, including Rajshri Fabrics, Vimal Industries and Amrit Exports. The firm was started by its chairman, Mr. Vikas Kansal, and MD, Mr. Abhinav Kansal. Now, Vikas Kansal's son, Harsh Kansal, is taking the legacy forward by joining the Grand Production House.
We are highly acclaimed reputed manufacturer of premium quality non-woven products. We ensure quality our standard and excellent performance. We are developing our range in standard and finished products which would match all the needs of our clients.
The entire range offered by us is widely used for industrial, medical and hygiene, packaging and shopping purposes. Our range has various chemical and physical properties, high strength and excellent performance. Our superior quality range meets uncountable business needs of all the clients. And we do it via our A1 infrastructure, which includes a line of 3.2 meters spun bond non-woven fabrics with online hydrophilic along with latest drying facilities. 2 lines of 3.2 meters spun bond non-woven fabrics. 1 line of 1.6 meters spun bond non-woven fabrics. 2 meters wide high-end extrusion coating plant aka lamination. 6 shopping bags making machines and a box bag making machine. The complete process is controlled with quality checks at each and every stage of operation, starting from unloading of raw material to the delivery of material.
We use latest manufacturing techniques, advanced machines and tools that are at par with best facilities in the world to facilitate swift production so as to meet the client demands within stipulated time frame. Our vision is to provide a world of quality non-woven products and prioritize sustainable development.
Our prime motto is to develop relationship of trust and quality with all the customers. Our quality assurance department is very well equipped with latest testing machines certified by NABL recognized lab. The international certifications with which we comply are ISO 9000-2015 from SGS UKAS.
With the addition of new manufacturing plant, we have become one of the largest manufacturers in India with annual capacity of 16,000 tons. We are always eager to do new research and development to create new products such as fire retardant, antimicrobial and fragrance non-woven fabric, which has created the whole new market.
We are serving our customers since 2007. We are on the path where we fulfill the dreams of our chairman, Mr. Vikas Kansal, to touch the new sky in the era of non-woven fabrics. Our mission is to make our customers happy and satisfied. This is why we pursue growth aggressively and try and exceeds more than the customer expectations.
Our products can be applied to carry bags, disposable diapers, sanitary napkins, tampons, sterile masks, wraps, caps and even drapes which are used in the medical field. Household and production wipes, apparel interlining, carpeting, shoe wraps, roofing and whatnot. Because we are Rajshri Fabrics. Find the finest.